Alright, picture this. You've got a killer digital product, maybe an ebook, a set of templates, or even a pre-recorded course. You're using Acuity scheduling to manage your appointments, and you're thinking, man, this platform is so slick, so organized. Can I just sell my stuff right here too? You're staring at the screen, wondering if you can consolidate your business tools and streamline your income streams. Sound familiar? You're not alone. So many entrepreneurs, coaches, consultants, and service providers who rely on Acuity for their scheduling wonder the same thing. Can Acuity transform from just a scheduling powerhouse to a full-fledged sales platform? Is it a hidden gem for product sales? Or are you better off sticking to dedicated e-commerce solutions? That's the question we're diving into today. We're going to break down the capabilities of Acuity scheduling, explore its potential for product sales, and help you decide whether it's the right fit for your business. We're not just going to give you a straight yes or no. We're going to unpack the nuances, the workarounds, and the real-world considerations. Let's start with the basics. Acuity scheduling, at its core, is designed for appointment management. It excels at allowing clients to book time slots, pay for services, and receive automated reminders. It's a fantastic tool for service-based businesses. But what about physical or digital products? The answer, in short, is yes, you can sell products on Acuity, but it's not as straightforward as setting up a Shopify store. It requires a bit of creative thinking and leveraging the existing features in unconventional ways. Here's how you can do it. 1. Using packages and subscriptions. Acuity allows you to create packages and subscriptions. These are typically used for bundled services or recurring appointments, but they can be adapted for product sales. Digital products as packages. Imagine you're selling a set of digital templates. You can create a package in Acuity and label it Template Bundle. In the description, you can detail what's included and set a price. When a client purchases this package, they're essentially paying for your digital product. Recurring subscriptions for memberships. If you offer a membership program that includes access to exclusive content or digital resources, you can set up a subscription in Acuity. This allows you to collect recurring payments and manage access to your products. The catch? Acuity doesn't have a built-in digital download delivery system. You'll need to manually send the files or use a third-party service like Dropbox, Google Drive, or a membership platform that integrates with Acuity via Zapier. 2. Leveraging add-ons. Acuity's add-on feature, designed for upselling additional services during booking, can also be repurposed for product sales. Physical products as add-ons. If you sell physical products related to your services, e.g., a skincare kit for a facial treatment, you can add them as add-ons during the booking process. Digital product upsells. You can also use add-ons to offer digital product upsells after a client books an appointment. For example, if someone books a consultation, you can offer a related ebook as an add-on. The limitation here? Add-ons are tied to appointments. You can't sell them independently. They're really an add-on to a service. 3. Utilizing custom forms and payment integrations. Acuity's custom forms allow you to collect information from clients during the booking process. You can use this to gather details needed for product delivery. Collecting shipping information. If you're selling physical products, you can add fields to your booking form to collect shipping addresses. Payment integrations. Acuity integrates with various payment processors like Stripe and PayPal, allowing you to accept payments for your products. The issue? You still need to manage fulfillment and delivery separately. Acuity doesn't offer inventory management or shipping tools. 4. The workaround appointment. Some users have found success by creating a product purchase appointment type. Creating a product purchase appointment. You can create a specific appointment type dedicated to product purchases. In the description, you can detail the product and set a price. Automated confirmation emails. You can use Acuity's automated confirmation emails to send download links or shipping information after a purchase. The significant drawback? It creates a booking in your calendar, which can be confusing and clutter your schedule. It's a very manual process. So, is it worth it? For selling a few digital products or related physical items alongside your services, Acuity can be a convenient option. It allows you to consolidate your tools and manage everything in one place. However, if you're serious about building a robust e-commerce business, Acuity has significant limitations. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons. Pros: consolidation. Manage appointments and product sales in one platform. Convenience. Streamline the booking and purchasing process for clients. Payment integrations. Accept payments through popular payment processors. Flexibility. Adapt existing features to suit your product sales needs. Cons: limited e-commerce functionality. Lacks features like inventory management, shipping tools, and dedicated product pages. Manual fulfillment. Requires manual delivery of digital products and shipping of physical products. Workarounds required. Often involves using workarounds to adapt Acuity's features for product sales. No dedicated product page or shopping cart. Can create messy calendars and disorganized data if not managed meticulously. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.